Our relationship with money starts much earlier than we realize. It starts at a very young age when elders in the family give us money for festivals or our birthdays, later on in high school when we get our pocket money, or further in life when we get our own job and make money, or when we run a household and move out of our houses. But in all these situations, we always focus on saving big and are very cautious about our spending. But if you actually think about it, we get so caught in wanting to save big that we actually don't channel our savings into proper investments. We all have milestones which we want to achieve in life, and definitely we will touch our savings to achieve these milestones. These could be as simple as going on a vacation next year or planning for an early retirement in 10 years. Whatever your milestone might be, it is important to get your foundation right and make money work for you. Come join us for our workshop this Saturday to explore this a little bit more. Thank you.